Hello everyone, welcome back to WB Blacksmithing. Today I'm going to show you guys me trying to make a knife out of this railroad spike on the new Powerhammer that I just finished. But here's my pedal. It has a lot of control. That is turned down quite a bit. I'm still being pretty careful. I can do single hits with this thing. It can clamp. It's a Bulldog 15 designed by Dave Hammer. I just took this and thwacked it over the horn so the blade wasn't curved down drastically anymore. Just went like that, pretty hard, straightened her up. Now I'm just going to put it in here and quench the blade in some water and it'll be done. Yeah, here it is. Just want to see how gently. Set it even more gently than that. Oh man. Yeah, you could do like super gentle. Seems like you kind of have to operate the lever at the same time, though. And then you can also, I don't know, I think you have to be, to get it, to use the lever to manually clamp it and stuff, I think you have to be in cycling mode. Maybe I just don't know how to use it yet. But I think you have to be in cycling mode instead of single hit. I'm in single hit mode right now. But I can still, like, really gently, like, barely touch that thing. Or I can just do that. Or I can go, like, way harder. You can hear how hard that's hitting. Or again, I can just barely touch it. But here's where this thing is really supposed to shine. Is I have this valve for the stroke set as low as possible. And if you were forging something really small, and I'm barely, you have a lot of control there. So that's it. That's all I'm going to show for now. I'll probably make another video or two messing with it. I made this for a friend of mine. I'll probably make one for myself someday, but it's not going to be anytime soon.